That movie getting early Oscar buzz. The Light Between Oceans stars one of Hollywood's hottest couples, Michael Fassbender and Alicia Vikander. I recently sat down with Michael to hear all about his powerful new role and what it was like starring alongside his real-life girlfriend. When it comes to leading men, Michael Fassbender is first class. Whether playing geniuses,
I was using an algorithm,
or villains,
Won't stand idle, boy.
The Irishman simply lights up the silver screen. But now the actor reveals a more passionate side in his latest film, The Light Between Oceans, a sweeping period romance based on M.L. Stedman's best-selling novel.
It's the loveliest present I ever had.
How would you describe the movie to those who are thinking about seeing it?
It's about good people that have made bad decisions and are sort of dealing with the consequences.
In the film, Fassbender plays Tom, a soldier traumatized by World War I.
The war has damaged him pretty badly, so far as that he wants to isolate himself from all civilization, so he gets this job as a lightkeeper.
Did you do anything special to get into the role?
Not really. I could say that I went off and sort of tried to run a lighthouse for a while,
Do you like being alone?
do I like being alone? I spend a lot of time alone. I guess, the nature of my job means, many hours at home by myself. So, yes. Well,
I hate eating alone.
I do a lot of that as well. I'm the weird dude at the table by himself.
Early in the movie, Tom meets and falls madly in love with the lovely, lively Isabel, played by Fassbender's real-life girlfriend, Alicia Vikander.
She's such a fierce performer. She's so brave. She's not afraid to bring ugly personality traits to the forefront in characters. So yeah, I was just really impressed by her immediately.
I know you're private about this, but is it true you and Alicia fell in love on set?
Yeah, we met on that job, yeah, and sort of, been seeing each other since.
Life imitating art.
Well,
It
possibly.
happens.
Yeah.
It's her mother.
As an actor, you do not shy away from dark roles.
How much you pick yesterday?
Are you drawn to intense films?
It would seem that way. I don't know. Yeah, it's. I guess I like challenging stories, but I think I should start doing some comedy soon.
I would like to say you have an amazing smile.
Oh,
so
thank
yeah,
you.
seeing your laughter,
Yeah.
I think I'd buy a movie ticket for that.
Okay, thanks.
What do you want people to think about when they leave the movie?
I guess it's an opportunity to appreciate how we all try and sort of navigate through life and do the best we can. So hopefully people just leave the theater and give each other a hug.
See, he has a great smile. Wouldn't you agree?
He sure does, Amy.
And we don't see it enough in his films.
No, we don't.
All right, The Light Between Oceans opens tomorrow.